So, hi, this is Rick again. In a previous video, I said I would show you how to activate your kit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of go through the steps of actually creating an account and then bouncing around to the email to find access into your account. I'll be showing slides from when I ordered my kit. So it's a little bit confusing, but I'll try and keep it pretty easy for you. So I'm going to do is share my screen. We're going to go to the app. Okay. There's the kit, there's the app right there. So you fill in your name, your first name, last name, email, your primary phone number, and you click this button called Create My Account. The next thing it's going to show you is actually going to be a place. No, well, I already did it, so I don't want to do a third one, but click that and it'll take you to a screen that looks like this. So once your account is built, the way you get into the portal is by logging in here. It's kind of interesting. elmo@gmail.com. This is one of our kind of like our test accounts. You click here, and it's going to say check your inbox. So you don't have to have a password. You actually go to your inbox for your email. You see it's up here. It'll have this little button, and you just click this button. It says, "Hi, John." So I have an account for Rick Daniel. That was the one that I ordered the kit on before, and this one has no orders. This is basically a brand new account. I did that. I created this to be able to do this video for you. So what we need to do actually is we need to go order a kit. And that's going to go at it's going to be at the desktest.com. We're kind of in this thing called the app right now. So we're in our own portal. We click here. We're going to see a whole nother website. It says sign in here, but I think all I got to do is just order your kit, right? Go here, buy now. Add to cart. So I've been playing with this account. You can see there's a couple of things in here. So they're $274 a piece. I want to back this out, bring it back down. I want to see what this does. United States. Okay. I'm in California. Okay, Tracy. That's good. Update. Wait. Then what happens? Shipping. There's no charge for shipping tax. It's all included, right? So then you proceed to checkout. That's kind of nice. I said earlier that this is $274, and it is $274 because I think in continental United States it's the same price. What's also cool is you're going to get the kit, and like I showed you in the video, it comes with a prepaid envelope to send it back. So $274 even includes your having a conversation with an expert that talks about what does the report mean when you get it. Let's go ahead and just look at this thing real quick. Here's where you're going to order it. It's the same old thing. Filling name, address, price, credit card, and then place your order. All right. Place your order. Now it's on its way. It took about 7 days, 8 days for us to get ours. And then the first one when we first ordered. And then first thing I did when I decided to use is kick it open and make videos to keep track. And so I've been doing some of that, keeps it going. But let's go actually into a slideshow that I did. So when I ordered the very first one, I made a slideshow. And we're going to go look at those slides. It's right here. This is just a PowerPoint. I'm not really good at PowerPoint, but I'll just do the best I can. So there's the little deal. Click a button. So we fill this part out. We click that button. Took us into this thing where we sign in. You went into your email and found it. There's no password. That's kind of cool. And then it took you to order the thing. You've got it in your hand. And now you log back in and you will see that you have an order. Now, this is obviously a slide that I took when I ordered from my original kit. I have now ordered from the John Daniel thing, but it's the same thing. This is just a slide, so I can't do anything. So you click there. The next thing you do is you need to activate the test. So the desk test that they sent you, this is the code that's on the box, been assigned. Now you need to activate it. So when you got that box, the code that's on that inside cover is there. And now you need to activate the test. You click that button. Here's that box right here that number came from, right? And so you basically type that number into this box. You're going to click activate the test. It's going to have a place for you to fill out the location where it's going to be happening, the date you plan to use it, and then you want to click the sign. You click the sign. It's like a DocuSign thing where it's going to basically give you an opportunity to choose different fonts or whatever. But again, that's going to be your signature. So that's that part. Click that, and then you're going to click down here, verify your chain of custody. And then you have this, you're getting up here through this system, and it'll say, yeah, I took a screenshot of the bottom of this same page. It's going to give you you can download a shipping label, but you don't need that. It's already on the envelope. And then you can download a custody form. And that, I have that. It's pretty cool. It's around here somewhere. It's going to be from the actual lab. And then this is the details. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your ERMI test. And that's what we're going to do. So the next few slides are going to be the process of inspecting this particular building we're in. It's going to be the front office, the living room, the bedroom, the back office, and then the back porch. So those would be the videos that follow. And hopefully that's clear. So there it is. That's the process for ordering and activating a kit. That's if you order it for yourself. If I'm going to be doing the inspection for you and doing the testing for you, then I'll be bringing the kit with me, most likely, and we will activate it on your location. This video is really to help people who are planning to buy it for themselves. Just give them a little heads up onto what it takes to get that thing. So that's it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get into those videos. We're going to be looking at the various rooms in the building, and then that's what we're here for. All right. Thank you.